Alright, so what it looks like happened is there's a clutch switch on this side. You're supposed to squeeze the clutch in when you to start the bike, but the switch is questionable whether it works or not, so I bypass it. So essentially I'm always squeezing the clutch basically. And now I also fixed the wire on the ground side of the relay, because it looks like the circuit does starter button to the clutch switch to the decomposition relay, which is the piece down here that decompresses the engine to help it start easier. But now the good news is I turn the key on. So key's on, neutral gear. This really does latch now, this motor does spin. So he's still got to babysit the carburetors, but electronics is just a bad switch up top, which I'll just bypass. We don't need anyway. It just means you don't need to squeeze the clutch to start the bike in the future.